I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches.
Okay. Ato na tao Juan sakay tao Roro. So look at that there is a Pascat. Dahil kong amigo nga ano, sa Pascat. Cebu.
Cebu kaya?
Let this be another knot to tie around my bed at night. I know I've lost the fight to erase your face, my mind.
San Carlos.
Let this be another
Terminal
knot
fee
to tie around my bed at night.
No.
I know I've lost the fight
Port of San Carlos.
to erase your face, my mind. Awake, I lie here staring up beyond the sky.
Oh, kung amigo oh. Na. Isa kayo ito bro? Johnny. Okay. Ako bata mo gawas pa sa gate na ilang gate. Arita mo board na tanap going to Toledo. Igo na ko mga kamiguhan.
Fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please.
Na amigo na ko no para nanghita nga mo usulod ta dire para makakuha ta video og ang sila Sir Diniega kag si Perer Chiefmate Perer dito sa Sir ito yung bridge mo ni bridge sa Pascat M10 biyahing ruta nito kuan Toledo San Carlos vice versa sa Archipelago Philippine Ferries ni siya. Okay, ito si Sir Jeb ang nagkuan sa ako sa docking ay may kuan sa docking video nakakuha ko yan bali documentation nila ba para kuan. Sige sir. Sir Olsifer. Okay, thank you.
Let this be another knot to tie around my bed at night. I know I've lost the fight to erase your face, my mind. Awake, I lie here staring up beyond the sky. I need an angel to save me from myself. Holding my Savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt? Calling for